Have you ever heard of a parent taking his or her child to a chiropractor to get relief from ear infections, sinus infections? Maybe they have a cold, they go to see a chiropractor. All these things I just mentioned respond great to chiropractic care. The reason for that is our nervous system controls everything in the body, especially the immune system. So if there's a vertebra that is out of place in the spine, which we call subluxation, it will put pressure on the nervous system, therefore reducing immune system function. So chiropractically, when I adjust the spine, when I move those vertebrae back into place, I am ultimately affecting the function of the immune system. I am boosting the immune system for that person. So in children, and parents that bring their children in for chiropractic care to help relieve the child of perhaps its ear infections, sinus infections, whatever it may be, my goal is to get that pressure off the nervous system so that the body can function better. What I see in little kids, even adults that adjust for ear infections, if that's their complaint, is that through adjustments, I'm taking pressure off the spine, and that helps to boost their immune system. And ear infections aren't an issue. It's also very important for the parent to look at the child's diet, or even their diet if they're having problems with any kind of infection. One common thing that causes infections is dairy intake. I just recently saw a patient who brought their child in. He had just turned a year and had a couple of months of ear infections. When I asked the parent if anything had changed, she said no. However, she had introduced dairy at a year. She had stopped nursing after a year. What I see is that dairy, especially dairy that is pasteurized, is highly mucus forming in the body. Why does that matter? Well, if a child is taking in a lot of dairy, drinking a lot of milk, maybe it's cheese, maybe it's yogurt, it allows bacteria to grow. So it is a great medium for bacteria to flourish. So 2 recommendations I have for parents with children who have ear infections is 1, get your child checked chiropractically for subluxation to remove that pressure on the nervous system. And then 2, eliminate any dairy that might be in the baby's diet. Check us out.